We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Got a 2019 Ram 5500 heavy duty. This is the new body style. Stock number is 29036T. Now this particular model is a Tradesman model that we put the chrome grille on. We've also put the chrome bumper. You can see on the new body style, you got the nice Ram logo right on the front with a honeycomb grille. We do have tow hooks on this, fog lights. Also, we've upgraded the wheels, the wheels on this. So we've got an alloy aluminum wheel. This is a crew cab equipped with the Cummins turbo diesel, Aisin automatic transmission. We have put trailer tow mirrors on this. The nice thing about the trailer tow mirrors is they flip up. Gives you a lot more visibility when you're towing something going down the road. This is a cab chassis, and I'll talk about the service body here in a minute. Just getting a look at it. This is in bright white. As I said, trailer tow mirrors. Taking a look at the inside. It's got the Ram work grade vinyl seating. They went to a two-tone vinyl seating now. Rubber floor. This is a work truck, so that rubber floor is easy to clean out. Of course, power windows and locks, tilt steering, cruise control, power mirrors. They are heated. The front is a 40-20-40 split bench, so this does go up. Conceivably, you could have 3 in the front, 3 in the back, so you could take a crew of 6 on a work site. This particular vehicle is 4-wheel drive. Lumbar controls right here for the front seat. Taking a look at the back, got the bench seat in the back. Again, rubber floors, storage underneath. Plenty of leg room in this. I'm gonna step up inside and get a better look at the dash area. It does have the touchscreen 3.0 radio. We have put auxiliary switches in it, so if you want to do any more upfitting to this, you've got the auxiliary switches already in place. It is equipped with the PTO on it also. Cruise control, trailer brake control. Your glove boxes, you've got a single glove box, you've got a storage area just above that. So as I'm sitting in this, and I'm 6'1", I've got plenty of leg room. The driver would have plenty of leg room also. What we've done is we put a 11-foot Redding service body on this. You got 4 doors on each side. This is a galvanized steel body, stainless steel paddle latches. Each one of these we put nice LED lights in. This also has the latch-o-matics, which is automatic locks for all of your compartments. Various shelf configurations with dividers. Everything can kind of be moved around to give you a different configuration as to how you want to divide it. This center one is pretty much set. But on your side ones, you can see that every single one of the compartments does have LED lights. We did put a heavy duty tailgate on it, heavy duty steel bumper, 20,000 pound hitch. We've also got a 7-pin connector for your trailer on it. Steel floor, LED cargo light, LED rear lights. This is a Classic 2 made by Redding. This one does have a rear backup camera on it also. One thing that a lot of guys do on these is they'll line X or Rhino line the top of their boxes as well as the inside of the bed itself. Makes it a little more durable. Once again, 4 boxes on the driver's side, 4 boxes on the passenger side. This Cummins diesel is equipped with that Aisin transmission. Again, we've added the chrome package to this, the nicer wheels. This is a Ram 5500 heavy duty 2019 model. We're here at Sherry Chrysler, located in Piqua, Ohio. For more information on this truck, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.